Hello again, welcome to Business Information Systems Survival Kit presentations. Throughout this PPT, we would like to guide you of the survival kit of your first semester in the program. And hopefully by then, it will bring you the maximum performance of your academic starting from your first semesters. Let us remind you of your subjects during the first semesters. Your subjects will comprise of contemporary MIS and algorithms, which will use Java programming as its main language, and then later on followed by character building Pancasila, and then applied project management. For applied project management, you will be using a lot of Microsoft Offices and Microsoft Project. Bahasa Indonesia will be later on introduced to your first semester as well, followed by introductions to financial accounting, which mainly will be using Microsoft Office's spreadsheet, such as Microsoft Excel. The survival kits for first semester, we divided into several areas, such as websites, and then virtual classrooms, and some of the programming languages and kits that you would need to download. The first one that we would like to bring your attention will be Binus Maya, and then the second one will be a classroom named Zoom, a virtual classroom named Zoom, and then third one will be another virtual classroom named Microsoft Teams, and then followed by our programming languages, our environment, we call it Java JDK, and then last but not least, our programming IDE, we call that NetBeans. So Binus Maya is our center point or the meeting point between lecturers, students, and the university administrations. So it is your main windows or your main interface to the university's resources, to your classroom resources, and to some of your schedules and your academic performance. So it is very much important for you to establish access and then to be able to log in to your Binus Maya. Please request username and default password from student service and or one already delivered to your email address with those details. Once you receive those details, please log in to Binus Maya using the given username, and please use the default password and then change that default passwords once you'll be able to access your account on Binus Maya. Next will be the virtual classroom. In the past, we don't have this, but however, because these pandemic situations, we would need you to join our virtual classroom using Zoom. So what you need to do is to download the application of Zoom. Please do not access this through your browsers. What you need to do is to download the application of Zoom through your mobile phone or to your desktop PC or MacBook. So what you need to do is to sign in using any of your account of either Google or Facebook. But what we would like to suggest you is, of course, later on when the classroom already provided, please log in using your Binus email login. So your Binus email login will be sent to you to your email, and then please use your Binus email login for us to differentiate our Binus International students with other users. As for the Microsoft Teams, please download Microsoft Teams applications to your mobile phone or to your desktop PC or MacBook, and then you can log in using your given Binus email login. What's important about Microsoft Teams and both Zoom, you would need to download the applications to avoid the noise caused by the feedbacks if you access that using regular browsers. So let us encourage you to download the applications of both Microsoft Teams and Zoom. The link to download both of this virtual classroom will be given later on at the end of these slides. Let's move on to the programming side. So what you need to do to prepare yourself for the programming subjects, you would need to download JDK or Java Software Editions downloads. Please click on JDK download, and then it will guide you to which operating systems that you are currently using. If you are currently using Windows 10 64 bits, please download accordingly. Please download the version of Mac as well if you are currently using MacBox. Similar to JDK, after downloading JDK, please download Apache NetBeans. The latest Apache NetBeans is 12.0. Please click the download buttons, and then please download the version of NetBeans according to your operating systems. So if you are using Windows 10 64 bits operating system, please download the NetBeans intended for that operating systems, and then vice versa. If you are using MacBook, please download the Mac version of these NetBeans. As promised, you can find these Survival Kits links. For Binus Maya, you can find it on binusmaya.binus.ac.id. To download your Zoom applications, let me repeat, please download the application of Zoom and both Microsoft Teams to avoid feedbacks in the classrooms. You can find it from binus.zoom.us. And then for Microsoft Teams, you can download from www.microsoft.com's ID Microsoft 365 Microsoft Teams download. And for Java JDK, you can download it from oracle.com, Java Technologies, Java SE downloads. And then last but not least, for NetBeans, you can download it from NetBeans Apache.org downloads index.html. It is important for you to download JDK first before you can download NetBeans. Let me repeat it for you. It is important for you to download Java JDK first before downloading NetBeans. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask your FYP leaders. They are expert in doing this already. They have passed all of those courses that you will be taking excellently. We have chosen them for a good reason, of course. However, if you would like to further extend your questions to some of our lecturers, you are free to contact our academic advisory. Let me remind you again, our first academic advisory, which is our senior lecturers, Pak Winter or Sir Winter, which is the Dean of Faculty of Computing and Media, and at the same time, he is as well the directors. You can ask him, of course, any questions towards these survival kits. And then as well, I believe he can guide you, especially towards the subjects of applied project management survival kits. I repeat, applied project management survival kits. Please contact Sir Winters for further information. And then the second person, second academic advisor that you can contact is myself. My name is Samuel Mahatma Putra. I am the head of program for Business Information Systems. I will guide you throughout your program later on. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number and phone number of 0818 0826 1102. Let me repeat that for you, 0818 0826 1102. You can as well contact me through my email address smahatmaputra@binus.edu. Last person that you can find is, of course, Dr. Michael Sheikh. Dr. Michael Sheikh is an expert on data science. So if you have any further questions to what these survival kits and you cannot find both of us, you can find Dr. Michael on his email address of michael.s@binus.edu. I would like to repeat that, michael.s@binus.edu. All right, class. I would like to wish you all the very best to your FYP preparations, and then I look forward to seeing you inside the classroom. Bye for now.